All right, so I'm going to be setting up my personal catch-all for the new quarter and such. So stick around if you want to see how I'm going to get this bad boy ready for the new quarter. Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I got these things. If you saw my haul video, I got these, so I'm going to add them to this. I started going through my personal here. I rearranged a few things. I said to put this up front, make it easier. And then, other than that, I'm going to try to do, this is extra paper. I can probably throw some more in there, depending. So I've started a few reorganizing things, and I'm like, okay, I got to stop. Because I think I figured you would want to see most of this. So this is my family planner. This is just a quick planning guide for myself. I remember to use it half the time. All right. So, yeah. So I'm going to put those aside over there. And this, okay, January's already in here, and June, there's May. Okay. So this is where I stash the whole year. So as you can tell, that was the last week I used this, and that's about a month ago, huh? Over a month ago. So, and then I'm going to take this out, put it over here, and then get March. So I'll do a flip through of the first quarter of all my planners. So look out for that one. That's in the plan to make as well. All right, so this is, hold on, I gotta make sure things are, yeah, so that's what I did. So these were, I did some pre-planning with my my goal planner that I'm trying some, like, modifying it every time. So I put that there so I remember what to do. But let's throw May in here. So I kind of, when you'll see through my flip through, but I kind of gave up. Put this one aside. I'm pretty bad. But also I've realized I probably should. I've heard of this. People do this. And let me know what you guys, if you do it or not. But like, they keep their personal ones separate. The one on the desk is separate. All that kind of stuff. And when you see my thrift through, you'll see that I actually have a few extra of a business planner, and then what I call my main goal planner. It's basically messy as hell. So there is that. Okay. Next is the meal plan one. Okay. Now I moved this into the family, what I call the catch-all. What did I call it? Oh, planner section. I might have to redo. So I moved some things forward here. Meal plan wasn't used that much, but I have ideas for that. So, life gets a bit crazy. And also, when you are trying to adjust brain medication, you don't feel like doing a lot of things. Okay. So let's throw May. And I did notice with the Happy Planner stuff and then the Levenger Punch, that the Levenger Punch, since this scoots out a little bit more, as you can see. Right here, I'll put it this way. So you can tell it scoots out a little more. So it is what it is. It doesn't bug me, so whatever. All right, faith. All right, I already got 3 in here. I never used journaling. So these are the hold on. So these are my I call it put my faith section as my personal section because the first few things is gratitude and prayer. So what I want, but also I've been using these journal sheets, or I did for a while and I stopped, but I want to go back and using these. So I need to, I'll label them in a minute, but I got 2 of these on accident. And so I want to do, and these are the last spring release of the monthly star one. I don't know what you want to call it. So, but it's the 2021, 2022 one. So, but I want to do is use this for my gratitude for each day of the week, which as I'm recording this is the first day of the month. So I can get going. I'm working on that. I do. Oh, sorry. I set this up for something else at one point. That's why there's an extra sheet in the back on that one. And I might do is go grab. We'll see. Actually have a different planner for that. So I'll put that. All right. So we got that set up. But what I wanted to do, and I might need this one again. I wanted to have a bookmark for each planner, no matter what section they're in. Oh, there's a piece of paper between those 2. Okay. Alright, so go back here, and we're on April, and this will be the next week. So I don't know what you guys feel like about Plan With Me's. My Plan With Me's. So I know people still make them and enjoy doing them, but I'm just curious. Oh, this is supposed to be. Nope. And this one I'm going to try to meal plan in, actually do it, and then the breakfast and lunches will be my personal because everybody's on their own for these. But dinners, I'll put them down. I like how some people, how do I describe it? They have but it doesn't have to be a particular day, and I'm totally cool with that too. I'll just put it down on whatever days I try to cook. All right, so I got those. And I want to bookmark this first one here. Oh, so I don't know if you know, when you first get these dashboards from Happy Planner, there's always a protective thing, and I'm trying to find it. I can't remember if it's in the front or the back. I didn't realize the back was a different color. It's not back there. I'm trying to find it. Sometimes it doesn't pop up for me until I start putting it in. Okay, I have long nails for once, and I'm not seeing it or feeling it. The extra protectiveness. Oh well, if it pops up, it pops up. There we go. It's all pretty. And then journal. No. I'm not feeling the film. Usually it's really easy to pull up because it's not so adhesive. All right. And then there's this one. Okay. So let's do this one next for my journaling part. I'm using up these before I design my own, just to get an idea. And where are you? There you are. Oh, I already have one in there. Okay. So I have one for my prayer list already in here. It's back here. Okay. I guess I could do, let's put it here to denote the different section in the faith. I just used my faith one here. The health one's all the way back here. But I decided to combine my gratitude, my journal, and my faith here. There's just, I have to clean up this. Okay, so this can come out. That's my self-care. Those are my personal projects. I need to figure out what's in here. Okay, that can get put away. Those are just those stickers. These are notes for meal plan. Okay. Which, you know what, that makes sense. Part of my meal plan was why I've been horribly doing it, in a sense, is because my recipe book downstairs that I have in the kitchen, which is like, this would be perfect. This planner, Frankenplanner, would be perfect down there, is because of that. All right, so got my sticky notes dashboard here. This guy. All right, let's cut off the tag here. All right. Now, I know people, the thing is, that's why I bought this. I want to just put it over here. Then it could be down in the kitchen as well, and I can look at it more and use it more. Especially when, funny thing is, husband tells me what needs help with the family kind of stuff when we're downstairs in the kitchen. And I don't have my planner. And I'd rather put it in my planner. So that is and then he can see what I've written down as well. We do have a Google Planner calendar that we share back and forth with and such, but I don't usually, that's a cute blue. All right, let's see how well. Oh, those are nice and stiff. That's good. The one in my reference one is not very stiff. Here, I'll put a black one in there just in case. There we go. I'm trying to think, is there anything else? I don't know what you would put in here. Maybe one of those washi cards? I don't know. And then of course it zips. So I can put more stuff. But I love blue and green and blue flowers, and so now she's quite chunky. See all those, but at least it lets me know all my sections. And of course, when I'm downstairs, I'll remember to do my gratitude and such instead of coming up here. I'm trying to not always park my butt up here. I'm trying to be more like, okay, spread out, not just have my planner stuff stay in the planner room. So, all right, how much time was that? All right, so if you enjoyed my setup videos like this, let me know, comment below if you would like to see more like this, but also, and thank you for sticking around at the end. I hope you remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I do have to set up my business one, but I think I'm going to do that off camera. But if you'd like to see how I set up my business one for my planner shop / YouTube, social media, all my marketing, let me know below. Until then, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye.